In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you 4 different cryptocurrencies to have on your radar for the month of July. All of these currencies have ongoing catalysts which could send the prices of these assets moving higher. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing, so if that's a topic that you would like to learn some more about, make sure that you are subscribed to the Lark Davis channel. Gently tap on the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Just gentle, guys, just gentle. Don't break your screens or anything. Just a quick little tap on the thumbs up button. That's all it takes. And of course, click on the notification bell to know when I put out a new video. So let's go ahead and get straight into this topic. And I want to start off by talking about Bitcoin. Come on, internet man. Bitcoin, really? Really? Yes, really. Let me explain here. Bitcoin's been going through this pretty boring phase recently, right? We had the big price correction. Everyone's kind of getting bearish on crypto in general, which makes me kind of think Bitcoin's probably getting ready for one of its just, Bitcoin rallies. Every once in a while, Bitcoin just Bitcoins. When Bitcoin starts Bitcoining, holy Bitcoin, man, things can get pretty crazy pretty quick. Therefore, that is why Bitcoin is number 1 on our list to watch in the month of July. Bitcoin could be getting ready for a big move. And of course, at a $650 billion market cap, don't expect Bitcoin to pull a 20x overnight or something like that. But we could see a pretty good move in the month of July for Bitcoin, especially as news like this keeps on rolling in. So this news came out today. We talked about it a bit in our news video, so I'm not going to go into it in too much depth here, but Cathie Wood's ARK Invest joins the Bitcoin ETF race. I think this is the 13th Bitcoin ETF to have an application in front of the US SEC. It's only a matter of time until we get a Bitcoin ETF approved. They're going to approve one of them. These are all very high quality applications from some of the biggest and most successful companies, whether it be ARK Invest or Van Eck or Fidelity or the New York Digital Investment Group. I mean, we have some serious players here trying to get Bitcoin ETFs approved. One of them is going to be successful. And when that Bitcoin ETF gets approved, I don't know when that's going to happen. Might be in July, might be in August, might be in December, who knows? But it is coming. When that Bitcoin ETF gets approved, holy cow, it's just the market's going to explode. So much money is going to start entering into Bitcoin, which will flow down to the rest of the market. So this is a big deal. Definitely something that we need to keep talking about, keep having on our radar because it is coming. By the way, every week my team and I produce Wealth Mastery. It is a crypto-focused investor report. We also talk about some other stuff from time to time, but mostly about crypto. Every single week you're going to get a deep dive altcoin report, top-tier technical analysis, the latest airdrops, the latest token sales, a step-by-step decentralized finance tutorial, an interview with an industry leader, and much more, all for less than $10 a week. Meaning this is the most value-packed and at the same time the most affordable investor report on the market. Click on the link down below me here to learn more about becoming a member today. Now, the second coin on our list is Ethereum. We're talking about big caps today. Now, you might be wondering, oh, come on, Lark, where's my 1000x low cap DeFi gems, man? Come on. I think with the current state of the market, what I've personally been doing, primarily focusing my money into the big cap coins. With so much volatility happening in the low cap space, I've been playing it a bit safer recently until we get some more confirmation that we are having a turnaround in the market. So that's why we're focusing on the big cap coins. Of course, these tend to be your safer plays in the cryptocurrency market. So Ethereum has some very big catalysts coming up in the month of July. Nice to see it back over $2,000, by the way. So the Ethereum London upgrade is coming. So this actually launched on the testnet last week. So this is, the much anticipated EIP 1559. That's part of the London upgrade. That's not all of the London upgrade. It's just a part of it, a very important part of it, a very highly anticipated part of it, but just a part of it. So we're going to see some upgrades coming into Ethereum in about 2 or 3 weeks, right? So assuming that everything goes okay on the testnet, assuming that there are no big problems, then we'll see Ethereum bringing this upgrade in, and of course bringing in EIP 1559, which is going to make the fee market more dependable. It's going to make layer 2 integrations for Ethereum better. It's going to start burning Ethereum, which will make Ethereum a deflationary cryptocurrency. Lots of exciting things going on here. I think with all of the bearishness that we've seen in the market over the last few weeks, people have kind of forgot that this is happening. But this is happening. Remember, the recent all-time high from like 6 weeks ago for Ethereum was about twice of the current market cap, or sorry, of the current per unit price, also double the current market cap, but the per unit price was double approximately what it is right now. So there's a lot of room here for Ethereum to continue moving higher. All those fundamental reasons that Ethereum was getting hyped up back in April, that the price exploded as high as it did back in April, those are all still there. All that excitement is still there. All this technology and innovation, it's still there. And the Ethereum London fork that's coming up represents a major milestone in that forward-thinking innovation for Ethereum. We're also starting to get the attention of the more institutional crowd. This is from Jim Cramer. Not to say I need Jim Cramer's endorsement by any means, but he's talking to a certain class of investors, a certain class of institutional investors, and a certain class of moneyed retail investors. And he's out there saying, I'm buying Ethereum, I'm looking into Ethereum. And you know, it's funny because I feel like he's just going through, he'll probably be talking about low cap altcoins soon, but he's kind of going through that traditional movement with I think a lot of crypto investors go through. They buy Bitcoin first. Bitcoin's the tip of the spear, right? Then they start learning about other stuff. They start buying some Ethereum. They start buying some Chainlink, whatever else it might be. It's rare the investor who stays Bitcoin only. There are obviously plenty of investors who do, but they're in the minority. I think only like 1 in 4 cryptocurrency investors stay Bitcoin only. Most of them branch out into other assets. The third coin on the list today, Cardano. Cardano. We are so close to some really big things happening for Cardano. We've seen the price recently rally up to almost $2.50, $2.45 exactly. So we're about half under the previous highs as well. We have some very exciting things happening in the Cardano ecosystem. It's added 50,000 new staking addresses in just the last 3 weeks. That means we've had a lot of new Cardano hodlers coming into the market. People actually getting involved, staking their Cardano, which of course, if you are holding Cardano, you gotta be staking your Cardano, man. Otherwise, you're just losing out on money. But why, in particular, should we be paying attention to Cardano in July? Well, Cardano is about to enter the smart contract era. Finally. It's obviously very exciting. Because this means that Cardano's really going to be able to start doing stuff. Right now, the major use case for Cardano is to stake it to get more Cardano, which, that's cool, but we now need to move on to the next act, which is going to be the smart contract era. So that's going to allow for a whole range of different things to happen. And yeah, there's some stuff going on Cardano right now. There's some NFTs and there's some tokens moving around the blockchain. But all of that stuff is going to really explode when we have smart contracts coming in, because that is then going to mean that we're going to have liquidity aggregators, decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, places to do borrowing and lending and automated market makers. All this stuff is going to start being possible only when smart contracts come on board, which are happening very, very soon. Smart contracts currently on the test net. The step to mainnet getting very, very close now. So we're likely to see this happening sometime in August, but the hype for this kind of things usually builds a few weeks before the actual event. So this is a reason why we are keeping a close eye on Cardano in the coming smart contract era during the month of July. And the fourth coin on our list to talk about today is, of course, our old buddy Polygon. Man, Polygon has been doing some amazing things. And yeah, like the rest of the market, the price has come back down, but I remain very bullish on Polygon. Now, I was very transparent with you guys. I said that I took profits on my Polygon around $1.15. It obviously doubled after that because, of course, it did. That's inevitable. But I didn't sell all my Polygon. I'm still holding 75% of my Polygon. I've got it sitting over in Bancor, market making me some BNT tokens, making me some more Matic, putting that money to work. But I remain very bullish on Polygon as an asset because Ethereum fees, even though they've come right back down, are still, we haven't fixed all the problems of Ethereum. It's just that we've seen a drop-off in users with a drop-off in prices and a drop-off in yields in DeFi. As soon as the market starts getting more bullish, the prices on Ethereum to use gas, to use the Ethereum network, they're going to go back up. And of course, still using Polygon today is still like 1/100th of the price of even a basic Ethereum transaction right now. So Polygon still has a very clear use case. And look, I did a transaction on decentralized finance yesterday. It cost me $35-40. It was a more complicated interaction with the DeFi protocol. If you're just going to send somebody some Ether or send somebody some USDC, it's a pretty cheap transaction to make on Ethereum right now. But if you're still using DeFi, it can be brutal, those fees. That's why Polygon remains so damn popular. We're seeing all of these major Ethereum applications integrating with Polygon. We've had, just some of the biggest ones like Aave and Curve Finance coming over to the Polygon network and integrating with them because it's all a completely Ethereum compatible universe. So I think that the Polygon run is far from being over and that we will see this asset continue higher over the rest of the year because the value proposition is so clear. Use all of your favorite Ethereum applications for like 1,000th of the price. This makes all these cool DeFi applications like Aave or Curve Finance or whatever it might be accessible to everybody. Because if we're trying to use them directly on the Ethereum mainnet, ouchies, man. Ouchies. It hurts. You have to pay a lot of money in gas fees. Polygon removes all that problem. And the interesting thing about Polygon is they just keep developing. They just keep moving forward with all these cool developments. I mean, the ecosystem growth has been crazy, obviously. But the actual development of the product also not stationary. I think this is a really important thing to point out because some people say, well, it was with ETH 2.0, Polygon's going to become obsolete, and that's just not the case. If you actually look at what Polygon is building, you'll realize why it's going to remain a major part of the Ethereum ecosystem. So they're, obviously now the premier sidechain for Ethereum. They're also working on more direct layer 2 integrations. So the Polygon team has been working on roll-up technology, which would plug directly into the Ethereum mainnet. But they're also working on a lot of other cool stuff. So they've announced a scalable data availability infrastructure. They call it Avail. So this is something new that the Polygon team has just brought out. So this is a data solution for side chains and for layer 2 protocols. This is a big deal. Again, Polygon out there in front, innovating all the time, continuing to bring forward this is exciting and useful technological advancements for the entire cryptocurrency space. So I remain a Polygon bull, and especially when you look at the adoption rates that Polygon has been getting. Just look at where the users are going, look at where the money's flowing, and you'll also be bullish on Polygon like I am. I still think that this is an asset that can hit $10 during this, market cycle. So let's keep an eye on this, obviously. But I think July will continue to be a good time for Polygon holders. Anyway, those are just my picks. Like I said, they're safer picks. We're sticking with the higher market cap coins during the month of July. But what about you? What one coin do you think is going to have an excellent month in July? Shill it to me down below in the comment section. And of course, also tell us why you think your coin is a coin that we should be paying attention to during the month of July. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.